Care and maintenance. Cleaning the hook area. Clean the hook area frequently. Turn the power switch on. Turn the hand wheel toward you to raise the take-up lever to the highest position. Press the lockout key. Loosen the needle clamp screw with a screwdriver and remove the needle. Raise the presser foot lifter if it is in the down position. Turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to remove the embroidery foot P and the thumb screw. Slide the hook cover release button to the right and remove the hook cover. Remove the set screws on the needle plate with a screwdriver. Remove the needle plate. Turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. Remove the bobbin. Remove the bobbin holder by pulling its front part upward. Clean inside the bobbin holder and the bobbin holder holes with a lint brush. Apply a few drops of the bobbin holder cleaner to a soft cloth. Wipe the bobbin holder both inside and outside with a soft cloth. Use a lint brush to clean the auto thread cutter device. Around the bobbin thread remaining sensor and hook race. Wipe the inside of the hook race with the cloth. To avoid injury, be careful when wiping the tip of the hook race. Align the triangular mark on the bobbin holder with the triangular mark on the stopper of the hook race. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the bobbin holder is inserted properly. Otherwise, it may cause a machine malfunction or damage to the bobbin holder. Attach the needle plate. Tighten the set screws firmly with the screwdriver. Attach the needle and presser foot. Insert the bobbin and hook cover plate. Cleaning the machine. Wipe the machine body with a soft cloth. Never use benzene or other chemical solvents for cleaning the machine body.